Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a VW Golf with a dead battery. First, locate the small, often hidden, keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Many modern VWs conceal this. Next, insert your physical key into this keyhole. Give the key a firm turn to the left or right, depending on your model. This action will manually disengage the lock, allowing you to open the driver's door and gain entry to your vehicle. Now that you're inside, your next step is to access the engine bay. Look for the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell or under the dashboard. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click as the hood unlatches. The hood will then pop up slightly, allowing you to proceed to the front of the car. With the hood open, you can now supply temporary power to your dead battery. Connect the red positive jumper cable to the positive terminal of a working battery or power pack. Then, attach the other end of the red cable to your Golf's positive battery terminal. Next, connect the black negative cable to the working power source, and finally, to a clean, unpainted metal ground point on your Golf's engine block, not directly to the battery. After connecting the cables, wait a few minutes to allow some charge to transfer to your Golf's battery. Then, attempt to start your vehicle. Once it starts, let it run for a bit to ensure the alternator can recharge the battery. Carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection. Negative from your Golf, then negative from the power source, followed by positive from your Golf, and finally positive from the power source. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.